2014 is the year of the African farmer, and it is also the year of the International Family Farm. Farming is, in the heifer world, an extremely noble activity. And we provide and support help so that this nobility of work can actually get expressed commercially. Rural poverty, rural hunger, the misery that exists in these communities will be alleviated when these farmers develop and integrate and believe in their own capacities to succeed. I think the most exquisite result that comes from our work is to see the level of autonomy these farmers develop. They quickly understand what works. They quickly apply it. That level of self-reliance and self-accountability, community accountability, is why we do our work.